Okay, so that's how we can play around with column charts, change the titles, change the axes, put data labels on it, and then change the colors. Let's take a look at how we can convert the column chart into a pie chart. So you might have seen just very quickly in the preview before, it automatically generated a pie chart for us, but we can switch chart types pretty quickly by going back up to setup. And then if you look at chart type, you can change column chart to pie, and it will automatically convert the data into a pie chart. You'll see that the colors have not been retained, so you have to go through and reset up the colors again, but you can see that the title is still the same from when it was a column chart. You'll also notice that each of the pie segments have got the percentages as well. So it no longer shows the number of Hungry Jack's Restaurant, it shows that the number of Hungry Jack's Restaurant makes up 11.1% of the total. And if you wanted to change the individual colors, you can select the slice, go down to the pie slice, and then you can change the colors down here. Okay, so I'm changing the pie slice for Hungry Jack's. Let's make that red. And you can change the data labels. So previously in the columns, we showed the number that matches up to each of the column. With the pie slices, if you go down to the pie chart, you can change the label from none. So there's no labels at the moment. You can change this to the value. So now you can see the numbers back inside the pie slice. Or percentage, which you already see out over here. Or value and percentage. You can have a play around with those as well. So we're going to leave that back as value. So that's how we can take data that we've typed into our spreadsheet cells and represent them visually as either a column chart or as a pie chart.